First station. Hello guys, good morning. Happy Saturday. Today's vlog, we're going to visit beautiful river. Cold and amazing view. Big rocks and very cold water. Sana makaligo tayo, kung hindi hindi natin kakayanin ang tubig na malamig kasi yung tubig is from the mountain, so no, there's no heater. So anyway, yeah, let's go. Bye bye and hi, let's enjoy the Saturday morning, guys. Thank you. Let's go. A&W. We have a snack, guys. Look, from Philippines. Pasalubong. Horse, yeah, horse.
No, they're black cows.
Horse, yeah. Horse, hello, horse. Big farm. Huge farm. Fruits store. Pechay, manen. Hybrids, water. Busy eating money. Ang ganda oh. Pine tree oh, ganda oh.
And there's like dough here.
Yeah, pwede ilagay dyan ng duyan oh. No,
I keep saying duyan, bro. Wow.
Look at the antics.
I got to bring the hood to them. Like flat.
I was on top when that shit meant a lot. Still on top.
Yeah. We're here, everyone. Just do parking. Finally, we arrive and we have ticket. 5 ticket. $15 per person. No, senior is $5. I'm not a senior. Just kidding. We're gonna look at parking over down. Ayan po ang view. Nakarating na po kami. Makulimlim, malamig ang tubig sa ilog. La 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 la. Ticket $15 per ticket. Wala nang tao, kami lang. Special guest, guys. Special reserve. Special reserve for the birthday celebrant. Ayan ang lake. Ng ilog. Hihi. Ayan ang ilog. Ayan pong ilog, kababayan. Kababayan, ayan pong ilog. Woo! Ayan ang ilog ko. How nice is it, guys? How nice is it? Beautiful, but the water is very cold, I think. Yeah, I think. Oh, yun, may naliligo na doon. Oh, focus natin, naliligo na. Nini, may kita Ayun, ay. Oh. Yee-hoo! Welcome to paradise. Aha! Welcome to paradise. Little Baguio. We're in paradise, everyone. Let's enjoy the summer. All right. Very clean place. Beautiful flower.
Nakakuha ko dyan eh. O, pwede na buksan.
Magluluto pa ng kwek-kwek. Barbecue.
Hindi kapag galing, dayon mo ba?
Awang garti kwante. Kikitak ni kayo.
Alain tayo may baso, may tubig, ba't kumain ng...
Bugas ng puday pwede. Sige, umungan nyo ita uring. Sindyan nyo ito uring apo. Tagtuno tayo. Te sida. Kakabit tayo lang doon.
Bigyan na rin pa dito ang yakot ko walang atas.
Ang takulakata ng pagdaan na apo.
May-ari ay cute-cute. Bawal
More, what there? Ukra, ituno, apo, isaw-saw ti buko, gata kamatis na, okay? Naiman, sira diet dito, oy. Ituno ano na, kabalyo na, kita yan, nagtidog na. Sos, kagano, kita, permi, kitindog na, titarungga, apo. Sos.
Wow, ang dami. Santi pa.
Pulutan oh, libre. Dadan. Yew! Dito kayo, itutuno kayong lahat. Oh my God, tay, pataw. Ay! Dito, ay. Ali kayo dito, pato. Ihaw kayo dito, oh. Nagado, ituno na eh. Oh, kaano malpas yung tuno ni nagado na tuno.
Hindi kanuti.
Ano, magsasayawan or?
Wala sa practice eh. Dapat idahan-dahan mo. Ay, ako lang naman yan pala.
Hindi pa lang ako kuha.
Oh, may audience eh. Taas ka nga, taas ka. May audience.
May audience siya.
May judge. May audience siya eh. May judge. Dapat doon ka. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Maganda concept.
Sige, tunog pa more.
Sabay dila naman ah. Parang dila naman. Para ba si Bembang girl ah. Lagay ka lang sa bra.
Ang talong, bye.